how to create Earth zoom effect in Higgsfield AI. Sign into your Higgsfield AI account, and then you want to hover over video, and here we're just going to choose the first option, create videos, generate AI videos. Now right here you will need to explain what you are looking for. So I'm going to explain that I want to create an Earth zoom in effect, and the location we are going to end up in is Bangkok, Thailand. Okay, so here you can choose the model which you want to use for your zoom effect, and also the duration, the scale here, and the quality. So I'm just going to click on generate, and this is going to begin generating it. We'll see what it manages to come up with. So I'm going to show you the final result once this completes. Alright, so after a bit, this is what it managed to come up with. Now, this is not going to be anything special, but you can use different models as well. So this is what it looks like. Like I said, it zooms in, and this is going to be supposedly Thailand. But if you want different results, you can use different models. So here, for example, you can do sedans. If you have a business plan, this is going to be way better. And also you can experiment with the other models as well. But that's basically how you give it a prompt and wait for it to create the Earth zoom in effect. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.